Hi you guys, so today I'm giving you a holiday look. If you'd like to see how I got this look, stay tuned. So today I'll be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is one of my favorites with all the colors. I'm going in with this orange and a big blending brush, and I'm just going to pat those colors on, and then I'm going to blend them out once I got the color that I want. So now I'm going in with the Fierce by Nature Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with this brighter orange to brighten up my eye. So you're about to see I switch brushes. That's just to go back and forth in blending techniques. You want to make sure to go back and forth in your colors so that you don't lose them. And that's just what I'm doing right here. So now I'm about to go in with these browns, and I'm just going to darken my crease to get ready to cut my crease. So now I'm going in with the Stay Matte Concealer by Revel London, and I think it's in the color 240, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Going in with the best setting powder ever, I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup. I am going to set my eye so that my eyeshadow will apply on there smoothly. Now I'm going in with this blue color right here, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid with a small flat brush. So I love the ombre effect on the lid. So I'm just going to take that orange shade that I used on my eye, and I'm just going to put that at the back of the blue so that it can be more of like an ombre effect and just kind of blend all in together. So now I'm going in with the 25 MMs. I got these lashes from a girl named Kiara McGee. I'll leave her Facebook below. And I'm going to use the Kiss Aloe Eyelash Glue. Oh my gosh. Woohoo, this is really a tongue twister. And I'm just going to put my lashes on. Y'all just watch from there. So now I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I got this in a kit after I purchased so much money, and I really like it. I think it works really good for a primer. I would probably go back to using the Smashbox by Morphe, I think. But this one is a good one too. So for foundations, I'll be using the Infallible 24-hour wear in the color 515 and the, what is that called? The Super Stay Matte Finished by Maybelline. I'll be using the color Cappuccino. And I'm just going to blend those two together with my beauty blender. So after I let my friend do my makeup one time, she used like colors like red to contour her face, and she contoured mine that way, and I loved it because I could never find that brown that's not going to make me ashy in a contour. I hate ashy contours. So I'm just going to use these reds to contour my face and my forehead and my chin, because I got a double chin, and my nose, and we're going to go from there. And this is the end look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video.